Would you believe me if I said that you could earn $1,000, $3,000, or even $5,000 referring clients, the clients that you already work with, to a hosting provider that you can trust? This is exactly what freelancers, digital agencies, and even YouTube creators are doing with the Cloudways affiliate program. And before you think it's just a sign up and hope for clicks thing, it's not. Cloudways actually rewards you for your performance. So in this video, I will break down how you can earn with Cloudways affiliate models, which creators or professional can benefit the most, realistic earning examples, and smart ways to promote Cloudways inside your content, whether it's a YouTube tutorial, review, or a quick Instagram reel or TikTok. So let's get started. First off, let's talk about why Cloudways is worth promoting. Cloudways is a managed cloud hosting platform that lets users deploy websites on top-tier cloud providers like AWS, Google Cloud, and DigitalOcean without needing to manage servers. This means faster websites, better performance, and zero headaches with tech setup. Agencies love it because they can host multiple client sites in one dashboard. Freelancers love it because it saves a lot of time, and creators love it because the service genuinely delivers, so promoting it feels natural. So with the Cloudways affiliate program, you're not just pushing a random tool out there for your audience, you're promoting something that you would actually love and that you actually use. So now let's get to the fun part. How much can you earn as a Cloudways affiliate? Cloudways offers two main payout models, both designed for different goals. First off, performance-based payout. This is perfect if you bring in volume, say through your YouTube channel, blog, or paid ads. Here's how it scales. If you make 1 to 5 sales, you get $50 per sale. If you make 6 to 20 sales, you get $75 per sale. If you make anywhere from 21 to 45 sales, that is $100 per sale. And for making more than 46 sales, you get $130 per sale. So let's say that you bring 30 new clients to Cloudways in 1 month. That is $3,000. And if you scale to 50 referrals, that is over $5,000. This model suits marketers, bloggers, or YouTubers reviewing multiple tools. Next, we have the hybrid model, upfront and recurring. If you're a freelancer, developer, or agency that brings in long-term clients, this model is for you. You earn 30 upfront per sale plus 7% lifetime recurring commission from every customer you refer. That means that every month, as your referred clients keep paying for hosting, you keep earning. Imagine referring 20 active clients every single month. That can be a steady stream of $200 to $300 per month in recurring commissions on top of your upfront bonuses. This is passive income that compounds. And then you also get a 2-tier program. So Cloudways also lets you earn 5% from the performance of sub-affiliates you refer. So if you know other freelancers or creators that might want to join, you can earn from those referrals too. It's like building a small affiliate team under your name. So who is this program really for? Let's break it down, because if you fall into any of these categories, you can start earning big with Cloudways. First off, web developers and designers. You're already building sites for clients, just recommend Cloudways for hosting and earn each time. Second, digital agencies. Bundle hosting with your services, let Cloudways manage the servers while you focus on clients. Freelancers, especially WordPress, Shopify, or e-commerce experts, your clients always need hosting. Bloggers and reviewers. If you create content around tech, productivity, or digital tools, Cloudways fits right in. YouTube creators, tutorials, setup guides, top hosting providers, videos, and comparison videos convert extremely well. PPC marketers. If you run ad traffic to hosting or CAS offers, Cloudways payout tiers make it profitable. Now here is where it gets interesting. How do you promote Cloudways in a way that feels authentic and actually drives sales? Let's go over some specific examples that you can plug into your content today. For YouTube channels, you can create tutorial style videos. So you can create content like how to launch a WordPress site on Cloudways in 10 minutes. Teach something valuable and drop your affiliate link in the description. Then you can do comparison videos. Compare Cloudways to popular hosts like SiteGround or Bluehost, highlight speed, scalability, and pricing flexibility. Next, you can offer freelancer portfolio tip videos. So talk about how you host all your client sites on Cloudways and why it saves you time. That naturally earns trust and clicks because you're talking about your own experience and you're sharing what works for you. And then you can also do case studies. So you can share a video with a before and after story, something like how moving my client to Cloudways improved performance by 50%. Now, every single video that you upload will generate clicks, views, and affiliate payouts in the long term. Now, for short content like TikToks, Reels, and YouTube Shorts, you can do something like quick tips, freelancers, stop wasting hours managing servers. Try Cloudways manage hosting that actually scales. Income breakdown. You can do mini reviews, why I recommend Cloudways to all my clients in 30 seconds. Pain to solution hooks. Tired of your client sites crashing on cheap hosting? This one change fixed everything. Short form is also really powerful, but make sure to not just include these short videos or these videos on your channel that directly relate to an affiliate product that you're promoting or a brand that you're working with, but instead create your own personal brand around all of these topics that you're creating videos on: business, making money, making websites, working with clients, and more, so your audience is really connected to your type of content and truly enjoys watching it, and then they will also be interested in the products that you recommend. Now, Cloudways supports multiple payment options. With PayPal, you need to have a minimum of $250, wire transfer for larger payouts, and even hosting credits if you're a Cloudways customer. Payments are processed monthly after commissions are approved, and Cloudways goes beyond payouts. You get dedicated affiliate support, early access to promotions like Black Friday, and even co-marketing opportunities if you perform well. They generally treat affiliates like partners, not just referral codes. So it's about creating a recurring income stream around something that you already do. For example, helping clients find great hosting. Cloudways gives you credibility, trust, and the tools that you need to start earning. And the best part, it scales with you. The more you grow, the more you earn. So if you're ready to start earning from the audience and the clients that you already have, make sure to join the Cloudways affiliate program today. You can do so by clicking the link in the description. You can pick the model that fits your business and start turning your expertise into consistent monthly income. So make sure to go join now and make your next client project even more profitable. If you've enjoyed the video, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!